Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Toyota Camry air filter. First, make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid any burns. You'll need a new air filter, which you can easily find online or at an auto parts store, and a basic screwdriver. Pop your hood and locate the large, rectangular air filter housing, usually on the passenger side of the engine bay. It's typically a black plastic box. Now let's get that housing open. You'll see several metal clips around the perimeter of the box. Unclip all of them. Some models might also have one or two screws that need loosening, so use your screwdriver for those. Once all fasteners are released, gently lift the top half of the air filter housing. It might be a bit snug, but it should come off without too much force, revealing the old filter inside. With the housing open, you can now easily pull out the old, dirty air filter. Take a moment to inspect it. You'll likely see a lot of accumulated dust and debris. Before inserting the new filter, quickly wipe out any loose dirt or leaves from inside the housing with a clean cloth. Then, carefully place your new air filter into the housing, ensuring it sits flush and correctly within its designated slot. It should fit snugly. Finally, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully lower the top half of the air filter housing back into place, making sure it aligns properly with the bottom section. Re-engage all the metal clips you unfastened earlier and tighten any screws you loosened. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's secure. You've successfully changed your air filter. Don't forget to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.